video, we'll learn about the octal way to use chmod command in Linux. So this is the part 2 for the same command chmod. So basically here we can use a symbolic way, how we can we have a syntax, how we can write an commands using chmod using a symbolic way. So let's get started. So basically chmod we have it is basically for the operator modes file. So if you see, the syntax will be based on the operators. Okay, so if I talking about the references, so references will be U stand for owner of the file, G stand for users who are member of files group, O is a stand for users who are neither U and G, not G. So this it means it will be the other users, and A will be the all. So it means it will have it could be owner and any user, member of that, and neither U or not G. Okay, so it has those. So all the authorities it will have, and the operators we have add, remove, and the exact. So basically plus stand for add mode to specified classes, and subtract stand for remove modes, and equal exact mode to specified classes. Okay, so basically those are the operators we have inside the symbolic way, and modes we have read, write, and execute, the same which we had in previous example octal way. So what will be the syntax? Basically chmod, okay, and the whatever the we have this reference, and then operator, and then mode. Okay, so let's see this mode command in the terminal. So basically ls what all files and folders we have. So basically we have folders only, system and test. So system is basically for they have those things, read, write, and execute and write and execute only for system, and the privilege for test we have read, write, execute, read, write, execute, and the write and execute only. So let's subtract the privilege of the test for the G user. Okay, so how to use chmod, and in chmod we have the user, we need to subtract the privileges. Okay, so for mode we can let's suppose I don't want the read privileges, so read, so I can do like this R, and whatever the file name is, test. So now I will see here, so the read one has been removed, and the earlier if you can see, we have read, write, and execute, and read, write, and execute. Now we have in the for the G user we have only the read and execute, write and execute. Okay, so this is how we can use a chmod symbolic way. So hope you understood the concept of chmod, and previous video, if you missed this, I will put it to the eye icon so that you can understand the octal way also. Okay, so both the way is very important before using the chmod command, and whatever you like you can use that way. Okay, and if you have any suggestions or anything, you can comment to this video, and yeah, that's it. Thank you, bye.